Kerala's Thrissur welcomes Onam season with its annual massive Pookkalam. The 62-foot floral carpet was laid in front of the Vadakkumnathan temple here. This is the 18th such annual Pookkalam in the district for the Onam season. Around 2,000 kilograms of flowers collected from different parts of Kerala went into creating the floral artwork. The preparations began around 3 days ago with nearly 150 volunteers working on the design, cutting and arranging hundreds of kilograms of flowers. The devotees of the temple, morning walkers of Thrissur, and the members of a local group named Sayana Sauhrada Koottayama joined hands to complete the Pookkalam.